Molybdenum Software Show with Shivaraj working on frappix. Making good progress. It finally feels quite reliable.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if it actually has to do with it being in the sandbox. Kind of seems like it. I don't know. But that's not very important. It's meant to run in the sandbox. I don't know why you would not run that stuff in the sandbox. So I'm happy.
Yeah.
I'll take the helm.
Go ahead.
But before I do that, let me move all this stuff to my other screen. So okay. Tube. There we go. Man, I'm sure that I can tell Hyperland to just never show this thing or something. Okay. So, certificates?
Yes.
All right. Mob-T open. Throw it over there. Get another one here. XOS tests. So what do? We just what do? We do something what
I think views Acme.
We saw how it's done in Nix packages.
Oh yes. It's in the Acme test module itself.
There's like
They have a test server.
path
Yeah.
we can import, right?
Yeah. Acme server. They have an Acme server.
I see. And so we need so like two ways to do this. It's that server is another node in the network, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So that means that all of these
You just have to merge with those or something.
Yeah, but this like declares the whole test.
Yeah.
So we have to invert this.
Mm-hmm.
So any other attributes? Yes, there's the test. Oh, it also declares the test script. Well, okay. So and that needs to happen. So we can add another node, right? We can do a static node.
Mm-hmm.
This is a gen attrs, and we just want to
Lib.merge or just the regular merge.
So if I do foo
Mm-hmm.
plus, right?
Yeah.
What's the precedence? I believe we saw that, okay, this function call is before that. And then there's this. And will we see it select in the context or not? No, we already don't see the selection in the context.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know where it, but we can fold this. Can I kind of fold this? Z what? Close, C. Okay. Okay, so if I do this, that, we can see that the precedence is correct. We can do that, right?
Yeah.
That's cool. So this needs to also be a list. No, actually, it's an attrs. Wait, hold on. It's not a list. Nodes is not a list. Nodes is attrs.
Yeah, it's generators
So,
prime.
so what if we do this and that? Is that a different precedence? No, it's good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
There. So we're going to have an Acme server.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't even know that we need imports because we might have it might just be one module and that's it. I don't know. We're going to have to see. Right?
Yeah. It is one
So where is
module.
it in, where's the example?
I think you'll have to search for Acme server, test server, something Acme /
Well, maybe
Oh.
it's somewhere here, like that. The certificate for the Acme service is exported as. We want to see what uses this, right? Because that's what we care about.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm going to do common Acme server.
Yes.
Quote? No. Oh, it's not going to be a quote. Maybe a semi, or maybe just the end of the line, but not the snake oil certs, right?
No, not that.
What does that mean?
There is Acme DNS01 on top that has the correct import. The top of your search.
Oh, I remember these two.
Yeah.
These 3,
Yes.
4 even. Right? These 4.
Yeah, that's right.
So let's go with a web server because I don't know, because that sounds simple.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, what do we have here?
We just need that import.
Literally. Okay. So that seems to be the only thing. So what I'm going to do is that's going to be the, I bet we'll add something here. I don't know. Like, and also I'll rotate. And I'll tell you what the path is NixOS tests Acme web server.
Yeah. All right. Let's mob start. All right. Let's go to next pkgs and Acme DNS01 something. Oh, sorry, Acme web server. Acme web server. Web server, yeah. Right. Next was test.
So make a string there in the import, a literal, and start by interpolating Nix packages.
Oh yeah, Nix pkgs.
And then it's / NixOS tests.
Tests. It is tests common Acme server. Yes.
Looks like it. We can leave that with defaults for now.
Then we need to see the usage in the client side.
That's right. Common Acme client. Okay, so just copy paste our import. You want to see what that does?
Oh yeah, we wanted this, right? Because right. Because you don't have to explicitly do all of this if you just import it. We have to do it anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do it. So you copy that string that from line 28 and paste it in 34.
Oh wait. Paste it in 34. Wait, it didn't paste it.
Good. And change it to client instead of server.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, go back on the right side. See what else the client has.
This is fine. Domain.
Where's the domain coming from?
It's arg to this module.
Okay. Okay, let's try to ignore that.
Yeah. And there is some networking hosts. I don't think that's relevant. System packages. I don't think that's also needed.
Maybe it's something in the script that uses OpenSSL.
Yeah, but then I don't see why it should be here instead of the client or server module.
Maybe this particular test script uses OpenSSL.
Oh yeah, that. The new triggered, proxied, cert change, cert undo, 0conf, null root. I think we can just try it.
Okay, so let's do some cleanup.
Yeah.
But also see whether the test script waits for something that has to do with the certificate being renewed, because that's a thing that happens.
Yeah.
Or like not renewed, like I don't know, obtained.
Signed. I think we should put this in the deployment for manual testing and just run it. I think we would want that anyway, right? Then we'll be sharing things.
Well,
okay.
I mean, if you think we should start there,
because
then we could.
We'll have a quicker feedback loop there to get it working.
Right. So we could do a new branch that improves that in main.
Right. Yeah.
So let's mob next here.
Okay.
And switch to main. And pull it because there's been an update. Seem to have.
But this must be from
your main is not.
Yeah, it's not the upstream main.
Yeah. Git branch with the set upstream 2 flag.
Upstream set upstream. Is it one arg or?
It's a flag.
Yeah.
The flag.
Is it like just one?
When I say flag, it starts with hyphen.
Okay.
Yep, set upstream 2.
Set upstream 2.
That would be upstream, if you have it at all. Upstream
I
slash
do.
main.
Where do I get remote -v? No, I don't have get remote add upstream.
Yes. Git at github.com. It's the same as this, but
yeah,
with Blaga cow. BLAGG ACAO. Do this and then do git fetch with all. And then do the command to set the upstream 2 again. Now you can pull. And that's a bump.
Right.
It's a bump and also our merge.
Yeah.
So now you can make a, well, I can.
Yeah, okay.
Sharing. Shared. Switch main pool. Switch C Nix packages acme test module whatever. Start create. And deployment manual. Okay, cert. There's no certificates here. We're just so acme. So we need another node. Configuration eval NixOS. Hold on. This is not a NixOS. This is irrelevant. Here we just accept the fact that it's self-signed.
Right.
Okay. Back off. NixOS test branch D packages. So this will be only for the automated tests. It's this, and it's that. I just formatted a whole bunch of things. I wonder whether it's like a different version of formatter. I can toggle it off and do the
Alejandra, right? You have to use.
That's my default. But I can use the local one and it seems to be the same. So I can, at least for this file, I could turn on the automatic formatting. So another contribution we should make here, but I digress. So if we have the server and if we have the client, right? I'm going to search for cert, going to remove all this stuff.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is used for yet. SSL trusted certificate. We're not going to use any of that.
Yeah. We don't need the options. We don't need the options at all. The option services Nginx.
Yeah.
Virtual host. Yeah.
Well, I mean, there's this part.
That is also not we. I
This
mean,
is under Nginx.
Yeah, we will be making it true.
But we don't have Nginx anywhere, right? Like yeah. See, we like the virtual host is created by, by frappix module.
Yeah.
And if we know the name of the virtual host, then we can just set it to true. But here we do it without knowing the name. We can do it for all of the virtual hosts, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you can. But we only have one virtual host that is a test project .local, right?
Again, I said if we know the name and we're good with doing that, but then we kind of hard code a name, and it depends on the implementation, right?
Okay.
I'm trying to see what the default for this is.
It's false.
It should be false, right? Because this is not like a reasonable default. It's true. It's an additional. Here it is. So this is one option. It's our only like option that we declare, and it's like a
true
funny thing to do, but it's also, wait, I don't know, it works. Do you want us to use it'll be shorter code for certain, right? I know. So it'll be something like, let's get all the way at somewhere at the end. Ooh. Don't know, like here. Services, Nginx, virtual hosts, and now we need the actual, right? What do you think it is?
Project. I mean,
how do you even know?
I saw that in the frappix module. Frappix.
Nginx.
To look for virtual hosts.
Here, we are inside virtual hosts.
Yeah.
So it's map adders.
Oh, all the sites.
If it's map adders, it's just the site folder. Site.
Okay. Yeah, I mean,
site folder.
Yeah. I think we can keep the default.
What's the name of the site? Right? So the name, how do we know the name of the site?
Nixosargs.config. Yeah.
What is the site? It's this.
Yeah.
So it's site. And then it's just basically, let me use the thing so that I feel smart. This. It won't let me do that because the interpolation here, it won't flatten it. Okay. So I'll do this, put it here, insert a dot, and put it here. And I think we are already in site services somewhere. I think this is the wrong place to put it. Here, services. Break this up. Maybe just after frappe. There.
Sharing. Shared.
I made a little change to my wiring in the desk here, so I'm going to bring up the sit stand desk. Fair warning.
Yeah.
It's coming up. It's up.
Yeah, you're still here.
Yeah, maybe it was that one cable.
Right. So we will not need this. Options.
Did I not remove that?
No.
But you have the line that I did add?
Yeah.
Okay. And now take all the adders that are inside config.
Yeah.
And move them to outside of config.
Right.
Cut.
Paste.
Find config.
Delete. And format.
Let's keep searching for cert related things.
Search here.
Okay. Curl CA bundle. We're not going to use that. This is for the environment. We're not going to use SSL cert file. None of that.
Yeah.
And you can. I don't even. Oh, Python requests observe this among others. We're just going to delete all that. It's not. If what we do succeeds, it'll just succeed without anything else.
Yeah, but
that's how trust works, right?
Right. But is this something that they create in the test, or is it already there in the
create in the tests?
Because CS cert is set up automatically or something, I guess, if it's in this case. Because I don't see any hard. No, this is not something that comes from the source, our source.
Which source?
The frappix source.
Frappix source.
It's not tracked
this
in
line?
the frappix. This file.
This file?
Yeah.
What about it?
Maybe it's required for the test. Maybe we could remove it.
Well, I mean, you could search curl CA bundle in the test script, but that's it. I mean, if you don't find the comment says Python requests observe this, right? But Python requests also obviously will observe the system trust, so they won't need this.
Okay. Yeah. I can just. Okay, and next we have create wildcard frx localhost cert.
We don't do this anymore. Don't delete all the systemd services. Wait, what's going on here?
No, it's all.
It's all that. Oh, there's duplicate systemd.
You also don't need this sudo.
I suspect some of the bench tests use sudo.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah,
do a comment there for us to review. No, don't make it a comment. Just make a comment. That's enough. We'll know what to do. Yeah. Review. Fine. Systemd services config setup. That looks important. Is there anything certificate related?
No, that's it. Oh, this one. This is not needed.
Remove that. Anything else? Okay, now search for SSL. Just remove this. And that.
That's
okay.
Yeah, I can just remove this then.
Run it.
Yeah.
What I want to know is whether we'd have to like wait for something additional in the script, in the test script, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because it's like starts out with some state and then it
attribute acme missing. Oh, it should be.
It's hard coded as nodes acme.
Yeah.
I mean, it needs to be hard coded as acme.
That's fine, I think.
Mm-hmm. Okay, which variant did you run?
5 VMs.
I think it's best that we start with 1 so we don't get confused by so many outputs.
Okay. Stopping.
Cool. Let's just stare at this for a while.
Yeah. I can also mob next if you want to run it. Oh, it already fails. It's inactive and there are no pending jobs.
Are we like, I know what we're doing. We're looping over all machines.
Yeah.
Instead of only our machines.
Yes.
So let's rotate.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sharing.
Mm-hmm.
Shared. Here's the test script.
Mm-hmm.
Did we take care of this? This does not, we don't get this anymore.
Without...
Or maybe we do get this. I don't even know that we ever got this for anything that has to do with that.
Yeah.
Let's just remove this, and if we ever get this again.
Yeah.
We'll. Okay. So len machines, that's wrong already. Machines is the thing we get, right?
Yes.
You know how to filter.
There is a filter like similar to len. I think there is a filter function. I might have to ask him.
Do you want to explore the? Let's do nix run, right?
Mm-hmm.
Build, or is it like there's driver interactive? I don't remember how this works. I don't want to run. That's not it. We need to build the build and run. Build means what? What have we been doing usually?
Interact.
This actually does the test?
You can wait.
Why am I downloading things? Oh, because I have 4 GB disk space remaining. Yeah, but this is running them. We don't want to do that. Maybe we want to build run. It's the same. That's funny. We don't want to do that. It seems that we don't have an access point to this. We need like eval tests or something.
Mm-hmm.
We need to not do the run test, right?
I mean, it doesn't matter, right? Because that's this is because of what std exposes.
No. Is it?
The run and build are something that std exposes.
Darn, you're right. It stood again.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's what I think. I think we need to go to Lakenix. No, it's entirely correct. So I'm thinking this was NixOS tests.
Yeah.
What was this?
NixOS tests.
Yeah. Was it hyphen?
No.
Okay, and so I'm thinking, in this argument, we should be able to like do something like what is it? Checks equals. What do we have now in checks? It's fake show.
Nothing.
Right. So in packages, we have FRX, right?
Yeah.
And that's achieved by calling std winnow, and there's a function here which seems like a filter, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this seems like an adder path. And we get source pkgs file is what? How do we get the package from here, right? It is a pkgs. So we're using an overlay and we're just getting, this is a filter, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's not what we're going to do. Maybe we're going to use a pick or a harvest, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what does harvest do? For example, NixOS modules from source NixOS. What's in source NixOS? Let's split this. Source NixOS. We have frappix and test rig, right?
Yeah.
Adder set with 2. So harvest self at this adder path. And what's the result from this? Is that we get by system. Oh boy, that's bad. It's bad for NixOS modules, but it might be just what we want for checks, right?
Yeah.
So maybe it stood harvest self, and then what?
It's not source. It's tests.
This is Nix packages.
Tests, NixOS tests.
Maybe this will do the trick. Woo!
Oh, but that's It's not really.
It's by design, Shivaraj.
But if you run Nix flake check.
Right. Seems like we need to filter this or something.
Yeah.
Because checks are static.
Uh-huh. But even if you filter it, what number of VMs will you keep in the checks?
Well, I think like we need to. So as long as we're using. So it's a good question. So we will pick one, right?
Mm-hmm.
A number, right? Just pick a number. But we will do another flake output that is like, right? That has all of them.
Okay. Yeah.
So does harvest have filtering?
Flake X, harvest.
Or we just pipe it to like a filter? Or we use pick instead of harvest? I don't know. How does pick work?
Pick templates. Let's see. Next flag show. What is? Oh no. Okay. Where is templates? Templates. We have this. Okay. Templates.
One adder set. So what's in that file?
Templates, examples, templates next.
Okay. So what's the difference between harvest and pick? Is pick is pick without system and harvest is with system? That's the difference.
But I don't see system. Why will there be system in template?
That's what I'm saying. Pick does not systemize.
Oh, okay. Yeah. It's not sorted the way we want it.
We can fix that.
Yeah.
With padding, right?
But that's fine for now. Okay. Now we did
so
this
let's
because
change harvest. Well, we need system. So in checks we do harvest, but then we filter it.
we know or something. We know on harvest.
I wonder.
Let's see if I just do we know and
not we know and harvest, just we know.
Oh, just we know and get a name. I don't care this. That the name should be with 5 VMs or 4 VMs. And that seems about right. Next lecture. Where's checks? Oh, there you go.
Good.
Yeah.
But it shouldn't be called just okay. Well, yeah, with 4 VMs. That's fine. And another attribute now. It's like all or like
VM.
just it doesn't have to be all, just VM.
Yeah.
Not even VM.
I usually put these things in legacy packages.
Bench.
But yeah.
I'd like us to do that when we get out of the stud land.
Yeah.
Bench tests, right? bench tests equals std pick. Am I right? No, it's not pick. It's not going to pick. It's going to be harvest. So harvest worked well for that. It's all of them.
Tests, next was tests.
I wonder. Like I really wonder what will happen there. So do a REPL, and let's see what we have in the bench tests. Pick your system. Okay, with 1. And what attributes do we have? This is the critical moment, right? You can check which attributes you have with dot and
yeah.
Good. This is exactly what we want. Okay, so do to get out of the REPL and do a nix run and run the driver interactive. No need for system, right?
I think we do that because Nix doesn't recognize this output, flake output.
Only stuff in the schema is like automatic.
I mean, at least until flake schemas is introduced. With 1 VMs dot driver interactive.
Yep. Then we should find ourselves in a Python shell, right?
Yeah.
Now, without even running the machines, we can just do machines and then dot, and then you should get or is it get? I don't know. How does this work? What is this? Is it the dictionary?
Is there a type or something? Type of machines? List.
It's a list.
Yeah.
So, okay, well then, get us the first one.
Yeah, that's filtered here.
We don't know what to filter it. I want to get one and explore it.
Okay.
So you know what? We have one. It's going to be like runner 0, right? So go, and we already have it, right? So runner 0.
Yeah.
And just do dot and see tab what we have. Do we have like name or something like that? Do you have a name attribute here?
No.
Just type N.
Oh yeah, there is name.
Okay, show us the name. Okay, so we know we can filter by.
I mean, we can just filter by.
Not
we know
acme?
we already know acme, right? We want to filter out
filter
acme.
By not acme.
Yeah.
We can do that. That's probably the best. But I don't know how equality works here. It's probably object identity.
We could just try it. I think.
Shivaraj is, I don't care about the semantics of Python. We could just try it. If it works, then it works.
Yeah. I mean, I don't want to do Python more than what I have to do.
You don't. The real estate in your mind is too precious for. Okay, fine.
Yeah, I mean, we could rotate, or it's just.
Yes, we should rotate.
Yeah. Let me just.
Okay, desk going back down.
Mob next. Yes, you can.
Share.
Yeah.
Shared.
Yeah.
Where's my test script? Here?
Yes, you can just nix run bench tests.
What are you talking about? Oh, you want to...
Oh, okay. Yeah, we could either explore the REPL or just do it here. I think that's fine.
I'm asking Grok for a Python
filter
list filter. example. Oh, it's making a list comprehension over another list.
The second
or
one, filter plus.
Lambda.
Yeah. We just need that.
But why do you convert it back to a list after that? What does this do?
I don't know if that's necessary.
Returns an iterator?
Maybe, yeah.
Lambda something colon. What's this? Oh, that's
just the
filter
list.
takes lambda and
and the list.
Okay. So is this? Do you want to use the function or the language feature? What did I do? Do you want to use lambda or the language feature?
Anything.
This looks like it's less syntax.
Yeah. Let's do that.
N for n. In numbers. If. Oof.
we just have to reassign machines before builds.
I think we're going to do like test nodes, something like that.
Test machines.
Yeah, test machines, right?
Mm-hmm.
We don't want to reassign the original thing.
Yeah.
So test machines equals
list
m for. Okay, no, fine. I don't. I like that list. It has the extraneous part n for n, right? So some feature we're not using. It's syntactical. So we could do list filter
lambda
m lambda m colon m
not equal
is not. What is my equal? My equal is here. Equal acme
in quotes, I believe.
Huh?
Should be in quotes.
No, it's the object. What do you mean?
We
have an acme in scope.
We
just
have
like
it?
We have runner 0 in scope.
Oh, yeah, right. Yeah, my bad. Yes. Yeah.
And machines.
Yeah.
I think that's it.
Yeah. Time to run.
Okay.
I think you can do an exploit check. That's it. And it should. Oh, but that is 4 VMs.
It's 4 VMs. Yeah. Let's do a next build.
Yeah.
Let's see what we have.
Bench tests.
Bench tests. With 1. I love how this filters out. I think it's a derivation with extra things, so I'm just going to build it. By default, it's the right thing. Whoop, whoop, whoop. What's going on? Installing frappix, that's familiar.
Mm-hmm.
Boom. I wish they could make that faster.
Yeah.
I bet there's just a ton of inefficiency there. Just guessing. Okay. Okay, what's this? Curl. That's not working. Okay, hold on. Also, this.
Failed start order.
Failed to fetch certificates. This may mean your DNS records are set up incorrectly. Self-signed certs are in place and dependent services will still start. Okay. Here. This. It's not right. It's not .test, is it? We have a domain problem, right?
Yeah.
So acme.test.
Mm-hmm.
So
I think that's what the domain was for, the domain argument in the next packages test. Yeah.
Probably. That's good progress.
Yeah. Start.
It's Friday.
Yeah, it is.
That means, you know what that means, right?
What? No deployment, no production.
Free Epic Games.
Oh, okay.
There's one on their mobile
Uh-huh.
app store and 2 in their, I don't know, PC one, web one, whatever.
Nice. Is it every Friday?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I have like a recurring to do for that.
Nice.
I don't know if it's nice. It's like I don't think I ever paid them a dime.
Okay.
I mean, Steam support Linux a lot throughout the years. So and Epic Games don't even support running on Linux.
Yeah.
So sorry, not sorry. It's not political activism. It's just if I'm going to buy a game, it's probably on Steam.
Yeah.
Okay. So, domain. Do you want to see how that happens here? What's going on here? It's just networking domain included. Where's domain coming from?
Yeah, but this domain is for the web server, not Acme.
I mean, of course,
yeah.
It's so. And here's a question: how does actually? Let's look at the Acme server module as well, because how does it receive the domain? Why is it in the same domain? How does that work? Default.nix. How does it end up being in the same domain?
Testcerts.domain.
What is that?
What is snake oil certs?
The heck?
What? This is just empty?
No. It cannot be empty. What are you talking about?
Snake oil.
Oh boy, too many.
Certs.nix. Oh yeah, this is not empty.
Acme server.
Acme.test. It is acme.test.
Well, we can override this. It's just a default. Or like not a default, but it's just a value. As long as they can find each other, right?
Yeah.
It's just networking.domain. They need to
But it's.
What are we looking at? Which file? The server?
Yeah. The ports are open, and so I don't see a reason why we shouldn't be able to access this.
Because they're not in the same because it's trying to reach. It's like hard. It cannot reach. It's not reaching that node. It's not reaching that node.
Right.
Like, here's how it works in the NixOS tests, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where this we can see an example of usage of this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, but the test certificates may have this domain actually.
Yeah.
Are they like the initial test certificates? Are they like what are they? Are they checked in?
Yes. Yes.
Can you find those used here in the server default?
In the server default.
Mm-hmm. Can you find these
here?
being used? What is
test certs? Yes, cert. This one. Yes, cert. Yeah, this is one. Test certs. And here certificate. Pebble conf. Oh yeah, Pebble. Okay. Yeah, it's used here. All of them are used.
Do they have a hard-coded domain in them?
I should check the certificate itself. It'll be acme.test.key.
.p, yeah. Not key.
.p.
Not the key one. Yeah. Use OpenSSL.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if I remember.
Okay.
Let's see if I remember the invocation. OpenSSL. There's no way. OpenSSL.
Oh, I don't have OpenSSL. Next packages. OpenSSL. Okay.
Do you think I can remember this? OpenSSL. Something like plain text. Read something. No. Yeah, just get an invocation. Ask a bot.
Okay.
For an invocation of like some basic details on a plain text details about a certificate.
Human readable details about a
PEM certificate. X509. It'll probably deduce that.
Oh yeah.
Right. You see that? Just that, the first one.
Yeah. X509 in, no out, something.
Yes, just paste that and change the path, and we'll get our answer.
NixOS test common acme server acme test cert dot them and
scroll.
Oh yeah, it is so that is.
That's the subject alternative name. What's the common name?
Yeah, this also has acme test. The subject CN. See them?
Is there another? More PM files there?
Yeah. There is the root thing, I think. Let's see. Server. We have acme.test.key.pem.
Not the key. Key is a key.
Yeah. Oh yeah, right.
Do
That's
the
the
other
only one.
Oh, I saw a couple.
There's some 10 odd PEMs. Oh, that is CSR.pem. Okay. Right. Yeah, this has no hard coding of acme.test. Nothing that I can see. $2,122.
It's a root.
Yeah.
It's a root CA.
Yeah.
So we need to be at least in that domain. In the test domain.
Yeah. So it just has to be, instead of test project local, it should be test project.test or something. Or project.test.
What determines the domain? What is the domain that we ended up like having in practice? Who had the log? I had the log?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you what's in the log. We should rotate anyway.
Yeah.
Any changes?
Changes. No.
Sharing. Shared. Here's the log.
Mhm.
Here's the log. And the problem here was that it's trying to fetch from here, right?
Yeah.
There's no route to acme.test. Okay? No route to acme.test. Why is there no route to acme.test? Because we're in the wrong domain, I suppose.
Yeah.
Right? So what do we have about domain? That's site domain. What is site? But we don't have networking.domain here.
Yeah.
So maybe we should have networking.domain and that'll solve the problem. Does that make sense? Like, if we look in Nix packages, how does it work? Right? What's going on there? Acme web server main is somehow received from here, which is like, whatever, who knows? But yeah, it's probably just test, right? Acme web server default here, example.test, right? And then it's passing that domain. So can we just do test? Can we do this?
Networking domain test.
And this is test. Presumably we're like using the right thing. So let's push this aside and build that. I wonder whether run test. So these are passed into there. So run test is called with whatever is returned by this passing that, right?
Yeah.
Oops, how did I? Go file. Oh no.
Yeah, it happens when it happened to me as well. When there are multiple web server.next files. But
what do you mean multiple?
Not just in the current directory, but also in other places. It doesn't make sense, but that's what happened.
Okay, it's a module. It returns a module, and in that module there's name meta, interactive SSH backdoor enable.
Yeah.
Isn't that true anyway? I don't know. Are we like setting this up unnecessarily? Whatever. Nodes, right? Nodes, that's fine. And test script. I don't think there's anything other than that. So maybe this will. Okay, this did not work. So the same. It's the same problem. No route to host. Did we like not start them all in the script?
Oh.
You didn't start, right?
I mean, yeah. Maybe.
Where's the script? We didn't start. They don't start, you know?
Yeah.
They just don't. Here is m start, this one.
Yeah. So you just have to acme.start before. That's it. Yeah.
Well, I think more than shouldn't be like we waiting for it.
Yeah.
Nah. It'll just create delay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we don't need that domain changes then. Hopefully.
Ready?
Yeah.
Domain.
Oh, I think it renewed it. It does no red lines this time. Yeah, yeah.
Reloaded Nginx.
Yes, so it does that after the renewal, Acme certificate renewal. Finished order, Acme certificate, yeah. That's good. So we can probably remove the stuff.
Look. What is this? Curl. SSL error. Unable to get local issuer certificate. CoFed to verify the legitimacy of the server and therefore could not establish secure connection to it. How does that happen?
I mean,
curl.
should yeah, should we revert the domain changes that we did to just to get the minimal?
Sure. You think it'll help?
I mean, I don't think it'll help, but
maybe our test script is not correct. Now that we've changed it. Is your keyboard broken?
Yeah. So where
find curl. What is it trying to hit? Site. It's trying to hit site.
Yeah. We don't need this, right? This domain test. Hopefully.
Maybe.
And one on top, this was also just local.
Sure.
Nothing else, I believe. Yeah. Frappix. Okay. I mean, since it said something about SSL, I'm thinking it could be because of those environments that we had. SSL cert path.
No.
Maybe.
No. Curl, like most programs, trusts whatever the system trust is.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that client NixOS module we're importing, if you search for client here, we are importing it, right?
Yeah.
There you go. That is supposed to set. Can you go to see what that sets?
Yeah. This certificate files.
That's right. That's right. So, so the like the runner 0 is supposed to get a certificate for itself, to get the Acme server to sign its certificate, right?
Yeah.
And .local might not work. It's like special. But .test has a better chance, right?
Not sure. We could try running it.
You can see the logs.
Yeah. I need to run it with L.
What is that?
Yeah, I think it's gone. No, it's not gone.
How does that even happen? Is this a switch?
Yeah, it's the broken key. It just keeps pressing the right navigation key forever.
Right arrow?
Right arrow, yeah. Sometimes. And then I'll have to just flick it and then it stops.
Did you try blowing in it?
I have a I even removed the key, cleaned all the dust, and still I have a very powerful wind blower also. It's air gun sort of a thing. That still didn't work. But anyway, I will be switching the keyboard.
Does that still occur when the switch is removed?
Yeah. Oh no, I can't remove the switch. I've removed the keycap is all. In the Mac, I don't know how to remove a switch. I mean, unless
did you open the switch?
I don't think I've not tried. I've not tried it. Can't tell from here. Yeah, it's a laptop.
Well, then it's not a mechanical switch. It's the silicone dome, most likely, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well, it's busted.
Yeah.
I have to replace the whole keyboard.
Oh shit. Okay. I mean, I'm replacing my desktop. I'm switching to the Nixos tablet right soon. So I'll just.
So find us a log from Acme, because all this stuff is not interesting. What we want to see is some Acme related log. Ha, that's your right key.
Yeah. That's Acme.
Okay.
Acme. This is not relevant. No, this is still booting. I should probably go from the end instead of going from the start. I'll just go to the top and then search for Acme and then go Shift-N pattern. Oh, can't I go or just Shift-G to go to the bottom and then Acme? It's this Acme order renew.
That's runner 0.
Yeah, but that's still runner 0. This is also runner 0. Yeah, this is Acme. There's some requesting certificates. There's no error.
Yeah, but there's some detail. So let's see the log in runner 0.
Yeah.
Darn.
Q when done. Yeah.
Okay. What is all this script?
Oh yeah, thing is, yes. What is all this script?
Yeah, all that's it's good. It's bash.
Yeah.
We can't work like this.
Yeah. I'll just get rid of this silicone. Yeah. I think it should. Okay.
So the script's not showing us. It does show that the host. What is it? The host is testproject.local.
Yeah.
It's apparent in the file names.
Yes.
And runner 0 earlier says Acme validations succeeded. Requesting certificates. Okay, but I claim that .local, so it actually succeeded for .local.
Yeah.
But then curl says what? Waiting for success, curl. Okay, and that's where it fails, right? It says curl 60 SSL certificates, open SSL, verify result. Unable to get local issuer certificate. More details here. curl failed to verify the message of server and therefore could not establish a secure connection to it. To learn more about the situation and how to fix it, please visit the web page mentioned above. The certificate for itself. Curl is curling its own host. It doesn't know that because it's like it's not curling local host, but it is curling a test project.local.
Yeah. Oh.
It just spontaneously presses?
Yeah. There is no pattern.
The pattern is that the keyboard is in use.
Yeah, it's been what, 5 years, I think. So
okay. Can we get well, the test project.test didn't do any better, but I don't remember how it failed.
Yeah, it was the same error.
Way?
Yeah. You still have the log, I believe.
Okay, well let's rotate.
Yeah.
Shared. Here's the test script here. They don't curl here. For some reason, they do this explicit thing. Acquired a cert through a proxied Lego. Download. Huh. What is this function? Where is it coming from? Utils? Yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting. What is that? Of course.
Oh. But why do we need that when the client module is trusting the CA?
I don't know. Let's look at a different test. Let's look at Caddy. It does that.
Oh.
But what does check? Then it does check connection. Caddy, FQDN. FQDN is the FQDN. Networking FQDN.
But does this also import the client module? That's the...
Of course.
Yeah. Then I don't... Oh.
So we need to see what check connection does and switch to. Does this check connection depends on this existing. Or that, or Minica argument.
Yeah.
Run node. Open SSL as client brief CA file. CA file. Verify. to verify return error. Verify host name, domain. Why CA file? Why? Is this not what we thought it is? Don't understand. The client.
Yeah.
Injects this, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the server. Well, server seems to work. So with this injected, wouldn't curl trust everything that the server signed?
Yeah. It should.
And also so this part works. It just works. And this is, we can assume that it's injected there. But our curl. So can we get more information from curl? Like
the verbose log.
Like can curl be made more verbose with regards to SSL failure? Come on. V. With extra V's.
Yeah.
Timestamps plus transfer IDs. Protocol tracing. Let's try one.
Mm-hmm.
Meanwhile, I kind of want to see if there's a pad. This versions pad.
Yeah.
That's not what we're looking for. There's no pad? Darn it. Does Nix packages lib provide a padding function that could turn one? Did I just? Yes, I did. Does Nix packages lib have a padding function that could turn one into 001?
Does project.
Where's the start? Looking for the start.
I thought test project dot test somewhere, but I thought we debugged it there.
Okay, let's pretend this is the beginning of it.
Mm-hmm.
SSL trust anchors. Open SSL default paths. That sounds right. 5 bytes data. Handshake. Server hello. Change service back. Yada yada yada. Cert verify. Handshake finished. Out. TLS change cipher. TLS handshake. SSL connection using LPN server accepted H2. Server certificate. Server certificate. Subject. No subject. Start date. Expire date. Pebble. Intermediate. CA.
Yeah.
Public key type. Is this just failing before we have? Subject alt name test project.test matches certs test project.test. And you're asking, did we not change this?
Yeah. Or maybe did I forget the mob next or something? Yeah, it is still test. Okay. Anyway.
Lib strings fixed width string.
Yeah.
Fixed width string. Open SSL verify result 14. SSL certificate, open SSL verify result. Unable to get local issuer certificate. What does that mean? Closing connection. That's our failure, right?
Yeah.
Issue another request to this URL. Taking this. Is this a timing problem? Is this too early? We're supposed to like wait.
Don't think so. We're already. Or maybe we could try waiting for the
On
Acme.
Pebble's intermediate.
Yeah.
The handshake completes but verification fails pin and lookup on access for pay. Acme. Hey. What do you? If presenting a leaf signed by Pebble intermediate CA, that issuer is generated when Pebble starts. It is not in the VM CA bundle. So open SSL returns. Able to get dates look fine. It's not a hostname clock or LPM problem. Pebble always does this. The Acme server HTTPS endpoint uses a static minicast cert from the Pebble source. Certificates issued to sites use a new root plus intermediate every process start. Yeah. Nixos cannot break that root into at eval time. What?
Yeah.
What?
I think I might know what might be going wrong. I think that's the reason that download CSRT utility exists. Because whatever
it says, follow the same pattern as here. In the Python utils, went until Pebble's management API is up. Fetch the issued cert root. Insecure is okay here. That endpoint is Pebble's own management cert, and put it there.
It doesn't. I mean, it already puts it in a place. Actually, the download CSS function, so we don't have to.
Yeah, if we call that function, you mean?
Yeah, if we call that function.
But so, like, what does this do?
I think that is to trust the root certificate, and the download CSR is for the intermediate cert. You saw the intermediate cert only had like 2026 to 31 or something expiry. That is not the root one that we saw. So at least all the tests that use this client module run it, I guess. I don't know. Sharing. Share.
This doesn't seem like the optimal test setup.
Yeah.
The one we thought it would be.
Yeah.
Which one are we looking at? Pangolin?
Oh yeah, this is one other test that also uses the client module.
Okay. What does it do in its script?
It runs all the tests and in the end it downloads CSRs. I don't know why. Nothing after that. Just check traffic certs.
Because the rest of them just wait for unit, wait for open port. They don't actually interact.
Yeah. But I think this is only one of the few. All of them do that download CSR, all of them that use Acme client.
Then we do that as well. But here's a question. Look, take a look at that util again. It doesn't inject it where like system, it puts it in temp. Go to that utils.
Yeah. Yeah. It puts it in temp, so we'll have to manually provide it to curl.
That's not what we want.
Yeah.
And what is Minica? How does Minica fit into all this? Just search Minica here. You see that line 166?
Yeah.
So search Minica here. Any other clues?
That's it. Only here.
What do you mean?
Oh. If Minica CF file is here, then you don't have to download CSRs if Minica true. So doesn't this download CSRs? It does. Oh, this is to acquire a new cert.
We need Python to trust that signed certificate, right? Now, so does that mean it's not available at eval time? Like, I still don't understand how this trust chain works. There is a certificate, hard-coded, checked in. So what is that for?
That is to sign the intermediate certs. Apparently.
Okay, so that's the root of trust, right?
Yeah.
If I take that and I put it in my PKI certificates, shouldn't everything that it signed be trusted?
I would expect that, yes.
But that's not what's happening, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Do you want to ask a bot what's going on here?
Yeah. Does trusting root CSR?
I don't know that we can deduce from such a general purpose question. I think we need to ask, like, specific to that test setup in X packages, that particular module, like tell, like point it at that directory where, yeah, find, what is it, common. Okay, common Acme. Okay, give it that. Okay, and then ask it, show us the line. No. You show us the line, Jivaraj. Please. Where the certificate is injected in the client.
In the client.
Yeah.
Client here. Yeah.
Okay, paste that. In like a code block or something.
What is happening?
It's because there's text after it.
Yeah. And I'll just move this here. Oh, can't. I'll just, okay. I just do that and paste it here. Yeah.
Okay. And then ask before that.
Before this? Okay.
But not in the code.
Oh, shit. Yeah, this is better. Okay.
Ask. Does the following line result in the client trusting the
certificate
Acme issued certificate? Its own Acme issued certificate?
Trusting its own issued?
Its own Acme issued certificate? That's the question. That's what I want to know, because it seems like the answer is no, but let's start with this question.
Issued by the server module, right? I mean, the server.
You can rephrase this as trusting the certificate issued to it by the Acme server.
Certificate. Trusting certificate.
The certificate.
The certificate issued
to it
by the Acme server. Okay, let's see.
Let's see if it handles the typo you have there in the URL.
Oh.
Yes, with an important distinction in that NixOS Acme tests in that NixOS Acme test setup, CA cert equals nodes Acme test support. Acme CA cert. Is that true? The heck is test support?
It is.
Security PKI. CA cert is the CA certificate for the test Acme server, not the leaf certificate issued to the client. The server module explicitly exports it for exactly this purpose, injecting it into security PKI certificate files. The client module then does exactly that. So the effect is security PKI certificate files, system trust store includes test CA, trust HTTPS certificate of Acme server, trust certificates issued by that CA. I mean, that's what we want to happen, right?
Yeah.
Therefore, yes, software using the NixOS system trust store will trust certificates issued by that CA, including a certificate that the Acme server subsequently issues to this node. But that line is primarily necessary because the Acme client itself needs to connect to, right, okay.
Yeah.
I mean, at least that much is true, right? Because that's how it gets a certificate issued to it, right?
Yeah.
So that part is we are certain it's true. And the Pebble Acme server is using a certificate rooted in this otherwise untrusted test CA. Without adding CA cert, the Acme client would reject, right, the Acme server's HTTPS certificate before it could even obtain its own certificate. So it is not trust the certificate Acme issued me specifically. So that's contradictory. It is trust this CA and consequently, any valid certificates chaining to it. So is it not chaining from it? Does that make sense? That distinction matters because you normally don't need the machine serving an Acme issued certificate to trust its own leaf certificate.
Then why does download CA certs and check connection utilities exist?
And another question that is basically asking the same thing: why don't our tests pass? Why is curl rejecting? Right?
Yeah.
Clients connecting to that machine need to trust its issuer. Shivaraj, is there another certificate? Like maybe we're adding the wrong one in the client, right? Like the one that is used by the server to serve HTTPS, right?
Yeah.
May not be the same one that it signs with. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
See what I'm saying? So
yeah.
Let's take a look in Nix packages. Yeah, that CA cert in test support, whatever. So go see what certificates exist here. Like go see how the setup is server is set up.
Yeah.
This is the client. Let's look at the server. Okay. So there's test certs. Okay. Pebble conf.pebble certificate. Right. Like that's what these certs and keys are used for the web front end. Okay. Not for signing, right? What is the one used for signing?
Some roots, no?
I just go through the configuration here and see what there's an Acme server here, right? Lego or whatever.
Yeah. Pebble here. Acme server. Pebble config. Config.
But that's systemd. We don't care about that, right?
Yeah, it's mostly this, but
no, I'm not buying that. Like, these certs and keys are used for the web front end. Why would it say that here? I mean, did we go through the entire config here? Test support, what is this?
Test support,
CA
acme.
domain.
This is how it exposes the CA domain and CA cert for the client.
A certificate file to use with the nodes attribute to inject the test CA certificate using the Acme server into, okay, fine. But we know that that's not necessarily the one it signs with. We did not confirm that that's the one it signs with. Okay, this is some poor networking, firewall, hostname, domain, whatever. Hosts, what is, okay. Okay. Resolve all configured certificates to their hosts. This way, no DNS server will be needed to validate HTTP 01 certs. I'm not sure what this has to do with anything. That doesn't seem like it has to do with but look, CFG configuration security Acme certs. You see that?
CFG configuration. Yes, yeah.
Hosts, IPs, and names. What is this? It's quite a complex libless unique, list flatten, concat map, and eventually it maps on what? Where's the
Maps
list?
on
A specializations config is nested under its configuration attribute. For ease of use, nest the root nodes configuration similarly. Configuration equals node, and then built-in adder values node.specialization. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, map adders to listed line 93. It's the it's the certs for each, right? For each certs we map to a list domain CFG. What is configuration security Acme certs?
let's see.
System D.
Security Acme certs.
The certificates to get signed and renewed. Isn't that a client thing? Go back to our to the code.
Yeah.
Not our code. It is. What is that? Next packages code. Okay. CFG configuration security Acme configuration of what? This is the server, right?
Yeah.
Why would it have? What is dot configuration though? How is that? How did we get there? What is CFG?
CFG comes from concat map.
Oh.
This get map.
Oh. It's like a list of nodes. Yeah. Yeah. So this happens for each node. You see? It happens for each node.
Right.
So this is like injecting into the host. Okay. Anyway, this has to do with networking. Okay. Forget about this expression. System D services. Pebble conf file. Pebble config, Pebble conf. What is Pebble conf file?
That comes from top here. This.
Okay. Pebble conf, Pebble. Listen address, management, listen address, certificate, and private key. And that certificate, what is that certificate? What's the expression there again? Sorry.
It's this cert here, CA.
CA.
Yeah, so it is test certs, domain cert. It's not CA. So domain cert. So it's using these certain keys and not these.
Well, what are they? What is that? And what's the difference? Domain.
This one. Look, when we looked at the OpenSSL, the output, human readable output, this was the root, is what we inferred, because it didn't have acme.test domain hard-coded.
I'm sorry, I'm a little confused. What's in this? What can domain be? Because it looks like it's like domain needs to be a file that exists here.
Yeah, domain is acme.test.
So there's a file here, acme.test.cert.
Yes. And we did look at OpenSSL output for that file.
Okay. So Pebble signs using acme.test.cert.pem. Is that right?
Yeah.
Are we sure? Can we see the expression again in the Pebble? It signs using domain. What's domain here? Testcerts.domain. It's just from the same file. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, is this the cert that we are inserting into the PKI?
Yeah. Wait. Yeah.
Split?
It is the one
that'll be in the client.
Yeah.
What is it? That CA?
Yeah.
Cert?
CA cert.
It's not the same. This is testcerts.ca.cert.
CA.cert. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, one easy way to verify will be to just trust this also.
Well, I mean, the CA.cert is supposedly the one that signed that domain.cert, right?
But Pebble is not receiving that anywhere. So how does Pebble know that this is the one that it has to use to sign? I mean, at least I don't see Pebble receiving that CA cert in the config.
It doesn't need to. It has a cert and it has a key. And if that cert is signed by the CA cert,
yeah. All right. Yes.
And our curl, right, trusts the CA cert, then it should also trust all the certificates signed by Pebble.
Yes. Yeah, makes sense. Yes.
That's all assuming that domain cert is signed by that CA cert, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this looks like it should just work, right? But do we have a timing problem? Are we just not waiting long enough?
We can just add a sleep or something. We don't know what to wait on.
Why not? We have a systemd service for renewing, right?
Oh yeah, the order renew something. Yeah, I can just pick that from here. Order renew.
Because this happens quite. I mean, I don't know. Like we can see the order, right?
I think we had the order renew somewhere here already. Manual testing. Yeah, this one.
Okay, and it's not only the order. Our web service needs to restart.
Yeah.
Right?
Doesn't Nginx handle that? Is it because Nginx handles the certs and Nginx reloads?
That's right. We need to see the logs. We need to see whether curl happens before or after that restart of Nginx.
Yeah.
Show us. Unless you want to call it a day.
Yeah. I mean, we can just quickly check it.
Yes, let's check it. Curl, search for curl, and make note of the line that this starts happening, right? This starts happening
2144.
I'll write that down, okay?
Yeah, 2144.
2144. That's when curl starts happening and eventually fails. Look for Nginx restart something. Oh God, there's this herb that I really don't like the smell of, and they really like it here, so they keep bringing it, and they eat it. I don't understand why.
Damn. I don't know what log specifically restarted.
Just look for Nginx. How much Nginx?
There are too many, I think.
Go to the top.
Reloaded Nginx web server here. And that is.
How do you know that it's reloaded for the right reason?
I don't.
Acme order renew deactivated successfully. Okay, that's exactly after Acme order renew, and then it says reloading, right? Nginx web server. Okay, that's good. That's line what?
That's line 210. This is 2109.
Which is like shortly before the curl there.
Yeah.
The order seems correct. And it does say reloaded Nginx web server, right?
Yeah.
And then we do the curl, right? And your curl doesn't have the V.
Yes, it doesn't.
Sounds like we need to do some certificate-related debugging.
Yeah.
Or attempt to, at runtime, do that downloading of the CA from the... Like, I want to understand this better.
Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't want to download something runtime. We expect it to work, right? As it is.
I don't know that I expect it to work. I mean, that's what the tests do, right?
Yeah.
So the expectation should be not how we would like it to work, but by, depending on the people who set this stuff up.
Yeah. Right.
Apparently, right?
Yeah.
Like, so one thing we could do is inject the domain certificate, right?
Yeah.
As well.
Do
you want to just do that?
Yeah. Okay.
You have access to that?
I think.
It's not accessed via the same way. Might need to be imported explicitly, right?
It is nodes acme, and that nodes is just.
I'm not sure what you're looking at.
I'm looking at this client here. I'm guessing we can just do something like security.pki.certificate files is equal to nixos args.
It's not. Oh, yeah.
Acme.
It's not itself. It's nodes.
There's nodes inside nixos args.
I think so.
Acme test support dot
acme.ca domain.
Oh, CA domain?
Where
domain is just acme.test.
Oh, it's just a string.
Yeah, and CA cert, they don't expose the root cert.
That's what I was trying to say.
Okay,
yes.
Yeah.
No, they do. That is the root cert. They only expose the root cert. They don't expose.
Oh yeah, they don't expose the intermediate.
The CA.
The CA. This thing.
We can import it from that file, right?
Yeah. 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 I can just do this. Import in curlies. Next packages. NixOS tests common acme server snake.
I don't think it's under server. Is it?
Snake oil search. It is under server, yes.
Okay. Snake oil search.
Snake oil search dot next.
And now after the parentheses.
Yeah. Dot CA. Dot acme test dot search.
Who says that's it? Why? Show us that file?
Yeah. Because that's the thing. Domain.
It's just CA. Oh, we're looking for the domain. The CA is the one we already have.
Yeah.
Are you sure that CA is the one they already have?
Yeah, we do. So if you look at the server, here, CA cert,
support
this is
acme CA cert.
CA.cert. It's on domain.
I got you. Yeah.
So now if I run this, maybe I'll add the -v for the curl.
Yes. It's
there. Oh, it's there. Okay. 1 VMs.
Like, even if this works, shouldn't we ask ourselves, hey, why the heck doesn't, maybe it's not trying to, those tests in Nix packages, maybe they don't try to test what we try to test.
Probably, yeah.
Right?
Uh-huh.
Or maybe they say, you know what, yeah, that would work, but it's not explicit enough for us. We want like to make some explicit assertions.
Yeah.
So that's why we're like explicitly downloading a cert and like using curl with some arguments to point it to that cert and see that works, right? Not just some implicitness.
Yes.
Because something implicit could work for a reason that you think you don't realize that it could work that way. But this fails as well.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Maybe next week.
Yeah.
Okay, good progress.
Yeah.
And whatever the progress is, I think we're learning. And I always wanted to get better at this certificate related stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you, Shivaraj.
Thank you.